what's up? This is Anik here. So Samsung had their launch event yesterday, I mean 14th Jan. They announced their top tier Galaxy lineup, Galaxy S series this year. This is Galaxy S21, the S21, S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. And in this event they launched their true wireless earphone, which is Galaxy Buds Pro, and a kind of like a what do you say, remote or anything sensor to find some of your Galaxy devices. But in this video we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S21 series. Okay, so first let's talk about the big boy Galaxy S21 Ultra. And first, if we talk about the design, I think I kind of like the design, especially the camera bump, because this isn't a separate camera bump, and this camera bump starts from the top of the Galaxy phone. And yeah, that's all. And the color options are good, but I think the matte black color is premium, and this is nice to me, the color. And the matte finishes are always looks premium than a regular glossy glass phones. Yeah, underneath the glass you have a wireless charging coil which supports both wireless charging and reverse wireless charge. Okay, now talking about the cameras, then this is something special. So you have a quad camera setup at the back, and according to me this is a legit quad camera setup because there are no 2+2 macro and depth cameras, which is quite useless. So you have a 108 megapixel Samsung second gen sensor, and this is a new sensor, and you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and with this you have a 10x periscope lens, which is used for 10x optical zoom, and you have another 3x telephoto lens, which is used for 3x optical zoom, and here you have a laser autofocus sensor too. And the camera system is quite good, and we have to see how it performs in real world. And talking about Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra's display, this is a Quad HD Plus display which has 120Hz refresh rate. Obviously this is an AMOLED display, and here's a new thing, this has adaptive refresh rate, which will refresh your display from 10 Hz to 120 Hz depending what are you using on your smartphone. And yeah, this is a big display, this 6.8 inches AMOLED display. At the top of the display you have a big 40 megapixel selfie camera in a punch hole style, and underneath the AMOLED display you have a Qualcomm's new generation fingerprint scanner, which is faster than previous generation. And what's more interesting, it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is quite large for a flagship smartphone in 2021. So here you have two different processors for various countries. Like India and UK, you get a Exynos version, which is Exynos 2100, and for other countries like US, you have a Snapdragon 888 processor. Both processors are architected in 5nm technology. You're probably thinking Exynos once again, but this is something special. This is a 5nm chip, and according to Samsung and benchmark scores, this is really good processor. Sometimes it beats the Snapdragon 888 processor, so we have to see how it performs in real world. And I'm talking about RAM and storage, so you have three different variants for global market. Starts from 128 plus 12GB RAM variant, and then you have 256 plus 12GB RAM variant, and the high end is half a terabyte storage plus 16GB RAM variant. But in India you have only the 256GB plus 12GB and 512GB plus 16GB variant. And keep in mind there is no expandable storage in any of these Galaxy S21 series. But now you have S Pen support in S21 Ultra, but you have to buy it separately. But this is not efficient like Samsung's Note lineup, and if you want a complete S Pen experience, I will suggest you to buy a Note 1. So yeah, the price, so in the US the price starts from $1200, the base variant 12GB plus 128GB storage variant, and in India the base variant, which is 12 plus 256GB, it starts from 1,06,000, which is okay because this is top tier Samsung Galaxy lineup. Price should be in this segment. And yeah, no power adapter, no earphones in any of these S21 lineup, and I think every brand will follow this trend in their flagship series. So don't expect power adapter from a flagship smartphone in 2021 or later. So yeah, that's it for S21 Ultra, and now we'll talk about S21 and S21 Plus series. The both phones are quite similar, but in some cases they are different. S21 has a smaller display which is 6.2 inches, and the S21 Plus has a 6.7 inches, a big big display, and both are full HD, no quad HD resolution here. And the other difference is in battery. The regular S21 has a 4000 mAh battery, and the S21 Plus has a 4800 mAh battery. Both the phones have same camera setup in the back. You have 64 plus 12 plus 12 triple camera setup at the back and 10 megapixel for selfie. And both the phones have a Snapdragon 888 version and Exynos version like the S21 Ultra series. And here's another difference: the regular S21 has a plastic bag in matte finish, and the S21 Plus has a glass bag with also matte finish. And both are okay in their price segment, but the glass version feels more premium. And the S21 and S21 Plus both starts from 8 plus 128 GB base variant. So in terms of design, both phones are similar, but in colors some there have a little bit of different colors. The S21 has a phantom gray color and a phantom violet color and a phantom white. On the other hand, the S21 Plus has a phantom black color and a phantom silver color and a phantom violet color. So that's it. You have the information about the S21 series. Let me know in comments how much do you like this smartphone. So please do like this video and share with your friends who is curious about this new S21 series. Subscribe this channel for more amazing quality tech videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.